Hi, you can see that the one problem fetching on the app here. This is the problem. Action required, your app not compliant with Google pol Play policy. Okay, this is the app name. Okay, you can see that I have already solved the issues. You can see on that here is the issue solving message, and how I solved the issue I will explain details. Okay, here is the developer account name. Rejection issue is the your app is rejected, was not published due to the policy. Issues listed below. If you submitted update, previous version will app is still available on the Play Store. Okay, the issue is the privacy policy issues. If you have an app and rejected or removed or fetching any issues with your app, then please contact with me. I will solve the issues within few hours or few minutes actually. If you feel free to ask me any issues, to contact with me, you can get all the information on the description box. You can check out and contact with me. If I share this on the home section, here you can see, if I go to the developer Play Store, then you can see the app is now live. If I share the archive link, this is the issues on the 25th January, and it's solved 26th January. Only 1 days take for solving the issues. If you want to solve your problem, then contact with me. I can solve it. Here you can see that the issues, and I have solved it, and it is now live. Please feel free to ask me any issues or any problem or anything about your app and Google Play console. Thank you so much, and I'm waiting for your response.